Good morning from rainy Quebec City in Canada. We just arrived yesterday, checked into our hotel. Today our plan is to go to Montmorency Falls. We're taking a bus tour out to it. Unfortunately, it's not the kind of weather we wish we had.
Gonna get a little wet today. It's okay.
But after Island, we're kind of used to the rain, so we're just gonna say to heck with it and go anyway.
Just gotta suck it up.
We're just gonna suck it up. That's right. But we're gonna be filming rain or shine. We're hoping it'll clear up, but if it doesn't, it's waterfalls.
If it doesn't, I'm hoping the temperature will drop. Every now and then I'll see a snowflake,
yeah.
And that's really what I want to see is the snow.
It's cold up here. It's not really as cold as I expected for this time of year, though. I think that even in the rain, it's waterfalls. They're always beautiful.
Yeah.
So we're on Orleans Island and we're stopping at a chocolate factory. Whenever we travel, one of the things that we like to do is sample the local cuisine. So here on Ile d'Orleans, one of the things that they make is chocolate. Pretty good. These are some of the relics left here by people who claim to have been healed here. It's one of the things this basilica is known for.